In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with SimplePractice. By the end, your SimplePractice appointments will appear on your Google Calendar so you can see your schedule alongside everything else in one place. Start by logging in to your SimplePractice account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the gear icon or the Settings area. Inside Settings, navigate to Scheduling and Inquiries, then open the Calendar section. This is where SimplePractice manages connections to external calendars and where you'll link Google Calendar. On the Calendar page, find the option for Google Calendar and click Connect next to it. This button kicks off a secure connection process so SimplePractice can share your appointment data with your Google account. If your browser blocks pop-ups, you may need to allow them for this site so the Google sign-in window can appear. A Google login pop-up will open. Sign into your Google account, or choose the account you want to connect if you're already signed in. Be sure you pick the account where you want the appointments to show up. When prompted, click Allow to grant SimplePractice the access it needs to sync your schedule. This permission uses Google's secure authorization flow, and you can revoke it later from your Google account settings if needed. After approving access, return to SimplePractice and click Save. This step finalizes the connection. Within a moment, a new calendar named SimplePractice should appear in your Google Calendar under the My Calendar section. If you're using Google Calendar on the web, you'll find My Calendars in the left sidebar. If you're on mobile, it may appear in your calendar list or settings. Your SimplePractice appointments will start showing on that calendar. Depending on how many events you have, the first sync may take a minute. Refreshing Google Calendar can help if you don't see it right away. From now on, your schedule from SimplePractice will display in Google Calendar under the SimplePractice calendar. If you don't see it, double-check that you're viewing the correct Google account, ensure the SimplePractice calendar is checked to be visible, and confirm that your browser didn't block the sign-in pop-up earlier. Also, make sure you clicked Save in SimplePractice to complete the connection. That's it. You've connected SimplePractice to Google Calendar, and your appointments should now be visible where you plan the rest of your day. If you ever need to adjust the connection, you can return to the same calendar section in SimplePractice. Thanks for watching, and enjoy having your schedule all in one place.